Standard 6 SS Revision Day 10. Question number 11, brief. First question, what are fundamental rights and duties? Answer, fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights provided to the Indian people. You can see the answer on page number 77, children. If you feel it's a little bit blurred. First one fundamental right is right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Again I am repeating fundamental rights, right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedies. Next one, fundamental duties. When people enjoy such rights, they are expected to perform certain duties as citizens. These duties are known as fundamental duties. The fundamental duties are as follows: obey the constitutions and law of the country, respect the national flag and the national anthem, follow the path of non-violence, secularism and democracy, preserve the heritage and culture of his country, protect the sovereignty, unity, integrity of the nation, safeguard public property and defend the country at any cost, avoid social evils such as dowry and gambling, strive towards the excellence in the respective spheres. So children, you will feel it's a very lengthy answer, but if you have written four fundamental rights, 4 fundamental duties, then after it will do. So complete the fundamental rights and duties. Again, let me tell you the answer. There are 6 fundamental rights provided to the Indian people: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, कल्चरल एंड एजुकेशनल राइट, राइट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडी. अभी यहाँ पे 6 दिया है तो आप 4 लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. फिर अभी ड्यूटीज़ को डिफाइन कर देना है कि जब हम ड्यूटीज़ राइट्स लेते हैं तो साइड बाय साइड हमको कुछ परफॉर्म भी करना रहता है, हमारा सर्टेन ड्यूटीज़ को परफॉर्म करना रहता है. इस ड्यूटीज़ को हम फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी कहते हैं. तो आपको एक ड्यूटी तो याद रहेगी कि नेशनल एंथम और हम फ्लैग को रिस्पेक्ट देना है. फिर ऑबे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड द लॉ ऑफ कंट्री, ये भी ईजी है, यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस. फॉलो द पाथ ऑफ नॉन वायलेंस, सेक्युलरिज्म एंड डेमोक्रेसी. नॉन वायलेंस आपको फॉलो ही करते हो तो फिर वो भी याद आपको रहेगा ही. प्रिजर्व द हेरिटेज एंड द कल्चर ऑफ कंट्री, प्रोटेक्ट द सोवरेनिटी, यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ नेशन, safeguard public property and defend the country at any cost, avoid social evils such as dowry and gambling, and strive towards the excellence in the respect of respective sphere. So this is the brief one. Brief 2. Name some natural disasters, explain in brief about it. तो अब आपको मैं डायग्राम दिखा रही हूँ नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स के बारे में. डिजास्टर को 2 में क्लासीफाई किया है. वन इज नेचुरल, अदर इज मैन मेड. सो वी हैव टू लुक दिस ओनली. नेचुरल इज ऑफ 2 टाइप. वन इज कैन बी forecast, कैन नॉट बी forecast. सो you have to write in this way. Disaster is of 2 type. Natural disaster is of 2 type. One can be forecasted, one cannot be forecasted. And here the main answer is given. Flood. Flood के बारे में लिखा है. Flood occurs when the river water overflows the bank. Cyclone, when the severe wind blows from high pressure area to low pressure area Then these winds bring heavy rainfall. This situation is called cyclone. Drought. The situation when there is no rainfall or less rainfall is called drought. Tsunami. When there is an earthquake under the sea or ocean, or if the volcano erupts and the tide rise high, it is called tsunami. Earthquake. When plates of the earth create tremor from inside and upper layer of the earth trembles, it is called earthquake. Volcano. Volcano eruption take place when lava, stones along with the fumes erupt suddenly or gradually from within the earth through a crater or a hill or a mountain. So this is your brief number 2. Name some natural disaster, explain in brief about it. So complete your 2 brief. One is what is fundamental rights and duties, and second one is name some natural disaster and explain it brief about it. One time as classwork, 2 time as homework. The session end. Thank you, children.